In this video, we'll show you how to cast off your stitches. So you'll use this technique when you've gotten to the end of a panel and you're ready to take your stitches off your needle. So to cast off, you'll knit your first stitch as normal. You'll knit a second stitch, again just as normal. And then you're going to want to use your left needle to pick up the first stitch that you created off your right needle. You'll pull that stitch up and over the stitch directly before it and off the needle for a first stitch cast off. And that's your first stitch cast off. Knit another stitch as normal. And then use your left needle to pick up the first stitch on your right, pull it up and over the stitch directly before it, and slip it right off that needle. And that's 2 stitches cast off. You'll knit another stitch and do the same thing. So your left needle will pick up the first stitch on your right, pull it up and over the one directly in front of it, and off the needle. Continue with that technique across the full length of your work. We've cast off all of our stitches and you'll be left with one stitch still on your right needle. To secure that one stitch, cut your yarn from your ball, take the tail of the yarn and thread it back through that last stitch, and then simply pull to secure.